All right, y'all. I'm gonna show you how this is done. Let's see here. This is okay. So I got this at Aldi. You gotta get. It says unrefined. You see that there? And it's this whole, organic. Just be careful because a lot of it's just a lie. So you gotta get virgin. Okay, virgin olive oil. It's loaded with lauric acid. All right, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this. It's kind of like off the cuff, right? So this is one of my dirty forks. So how much? Oh, that's real good, Jason. That's about all you need. Like maybe that's a lot actually. You do about half that much, okay? And let's see here. I'm just like, uh, I'm biting it to get it in between my teeth nail thing. And what you want to do is switch it around. You know me, I'm just as transparent and candid as possible. Welcome to my homeless kitchen. So the coconut oil, for me, it just wipes out inflammation. It's absolutely amazing. You can use it anywhere in your body, really. I don't see why you couldn't put it on like your calves, your lower back, hamstrings, quads. After LeBron James is big on treatment after you work out or whatever. Treatment after you play basketball, football game. Just coconut oil wipes out inflammation. I don't know what it is. It's the closest thing to. It's like I heard like 86% of like it's like 80%, 86% of what would be breast milk. It's just absolutely amazing for the body. And that's what I use for the teeth. I'm telling you, it's now I only did it like real quick. You can I've heard people say do it as long as 20 minutes. This whole like oil pulling. Let me just see what time it is. Huh. I don't know why I want to do this because I can, right? So right now it's why isn't this thing working? Hey, that's cool, isn't it? So it's 3:20, 3:34, just before market's going to close in less than half an hour. So I switched it around for like 10 seconds or whatever, just to show you how you do it, you know. And I just to do it right now for you, because what I did was I had some what do you call that thing? Some like popcorn things, and then these are these it gets like a film on the teeth and makes really kind of sticks to your teeth and stuff. Wholesome ingredients, pure and simple. They're called. Well, I don't know what they're called. They're like what do you call it? Jalapeno, and then also I had some yeah, my I do this. This also is called ginger. It's really funny. Also you can get that at Aldi. Ginger, I do ginger. I mean, I eat ginger like it's no tomorrow. Really, that's the ginger in there. So I do about 10 grams of ginger a day, but that's not completely unrelated. All right, it wipes out inflammation too. It's good for your digestion. Anyway, that's ginger. Good for your blood. So the coconut oil is what I used, and it does something like nourish the teeth. It's really good for the bones. I swallow it. People say you should spit it out, and then they say don't spit it in the sink because it'll clog or something. It'll sticky or something. I'm just giving you an idea what I did, and what I do twice a day. And the reason why I did it after the food I just showed you I ate, and also I had some of these things, brown rice. Okay, so like that stuff like pasty leaves like a little paste in your teeth. That could add to what we call, well, the dentist people, like they call it DECAY, decay, decays, and just like, so your gums are gonna, like my gums, it's amazing what it did. I I should do a video of myself flossing too. No blood. I mean, I used to bleed a lot when I would floss. So, and I'm not doing a selfie, so I don't know, I can't see myself here, so I wanted to give you the best view. I got my scooter. I just brought this scooter. I'm gonna go down the street here. Um, yeah, that lauric acid thing is I guess the biggest thing. You do like a spoonful of that a day. I'm easily do a teaspoon of that a day, and you can lose weight. I mean, if you wanted to do that, it's got really good saturated fat, the good kind of saturated fat. It might rain. It's kind of a situation right now whereby it might kind of drizzle. I think it was like a 40-50% chance of rain over here in Daytona Beach today. So, I mean, it's a miracle that happened. And technically, if I would have probably just stopped the white refined sugar, I probably would have been okay. But stop brushing your teeth. It's just not good. It's more in your probably head too. It's going to make you just mentally like, you're striving and trying to work to get it. Who knows? If you just got to stop the white refined sugar. It's really, really bad for inside your body, and that weakens all the bones big time, and your immune system really. So yeah, coconut oil it kills the bad bacteria. It's absolutely amazing how it does that. So I just put it back over here. You can leave it out like this the way I do. I literally do, or you can go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. Then it will kind of harden up and stuff like that. But this is actually because I have it. I think it's like 70. I set it at in here. So basically, it doesn't really turn to like a total liquid. I guess it's like 76 degrees. So you need to get unrefined. I just showed you what that okay, and then it's got to be virgin. That's other stuff doesn't work. It's just fake. It's crap. You know what? I got this one over here at Walmart, and this is also legit. It says organic, but USDA is a bunch of. Well, you know what? I don't see USDA. Oh, it does. It says US, but that doesn't mean anything. I mean, that's just a bunch of bullshit because USDA's got guidelines. I mean, obviously the worst in the world, but I mean they're just crap. It's easy. It's gentle on your teeth. You're not like working at anything. I mean, if you're eating like a lot of toxic crap though, like soda, forget it, man. You're done. That's just and the pH is very important for your teeth too. So I mean, this is it right here. It enters here, and then how your mouth is. I don't know if I can't see myself. How your mouth is the way the rest of your body's going to be. I mean, really, how your fingernails are, how your hair is. This is going to be. It's an indication of how the rest of your body is. So yeah, I mean, my situation, everything's better than ever too. Is a good, and one of the things, probably the main thing, really, is my relationships with people. I desire to really have strong, healthy relationships. So I really do believe when you get your body healthy, everything else is going to be healthy too. And there will be no drugs in your life. Alcohol is a drug. It's a poison. Weed, prescribed by a doctor or not, it's a poison. It's not scientifically good for you. I mean, it's a natural thing. So was mercury, uranium. I just bought the uranium company. Don't play around with these things. I mean, just because it's a natural thing, this is a natural thing. Use it the right way. Use cannabis the right way. Use coca leaves, coca plant, cocaine the right, heroin plant the right way. You don't so I'm just showing you how it works with regard to the coconut oil, and it's put it in your hair. It'll moisturize your scalp and the hair follicles. It'll open that stuff up. Now that I think about it, it might even make the hair that's gray here kind of open up those follicles a little bit. I'm gonna try it. We'll see. It's absolutely amazing. I mean, wow, what it did for my teeth though. get that decay to stop the inflammation. And then, of course, not just that, but, get the teeth to start filling in those cavities by itself. It does it naturally. I don't know I don't know what I'm looking at. I'm just looking at the camera, but I can't see myself because I have it turned around. Anyway, free advertisement for Aldi and the WMT Walmart. What the other stock price is doing today. This is my sink, and I was just getting ready to go out for a little while. I'll show you this too. Free advertisement for GoTrex. We out.